G'day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. So just a quick little tutorial for you today. I'm going to show you how you can create live photos from content that you've captured on your DJI Action cameras. Now this will work for any generation of DJI camera. We're going to be using the content that we've captured on the camera and the DJI Mimo app. Now if you're not sure what a live photo is, basically it's a regular photo, but in the photo gallery on an iPhone, if you press and hold on it, it's going to give you some background animation as well. They're kind of nice to look at because it can kind of recapture what was going on when the photo was taken. Now I think Android has something similar. I'm not sure, I'm not an Android user, but I do believe they have something similar. So with that said, let's go ahead and we'll get started here. I'm going to turn on my Action 5 Pro, because we're going to use a video that's stored on the memory card. You don't even have to bring the video over to your tablet or phone first. I'm demonstrating on an iPad, but this works exactly the same if you're using a smartphone. So I'm going to go ahead here and we're going to launch the DJI Mimo app. It's going to search for the camera. So it's going to ask us to join the Wi-Fi of the camera. So right now it's listing all the content currently on the memory card. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this video here. Now at this point you could download the content to your tablet or phone first, but you really don't need to. We can edit it right off the memory card. So down at the bottom here are all our editing tools. And what I want to do is select screenshot. Now here is where we would capture just a basic screenshot. Say we want to pull this out as a photo. We could select photos there, and then we hit the download button, and that's going to save it just as a regular photo. But over here we have something called live photo. We can tap on it, and then we just have to find the spot where we want the live photo to be. So let's go right about there. We can add some branding, some DJI branding to the photo if we want. You can see we can hit classic. You can see that it's going to put shot on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. They have different variations of that, but we're going to leave that empty for now. And once we got it to the spot that we want to have it as a live photo, we just hit the download button there, and it's going to go ahead and create it. And this will behave just like any other regular live photo. In your photo gallery, you just press and hold on it and it'll play the animation. When you're just looking at it, it'll just display the photo. It'll be classified as a live photo, so if you go to filter by live photos, it will be listed there as well. So that's done now. So let's go to our gallery. So here's now our live photo that we've just downloaded. So again, when viewing it in the gallery, it's just going to be a regular photo. But if we press and hold on it, you can see we're going to have that little bit of animation. On top of that, it will capture sound as well. So if there's ambient background noise, like here, there's kind of a carnival going on. So it helps you relive the moment, the sights and the sounds of what you were capturing at the time. These are shareable as well, so you can send them to friends and family if you want them to experience what you were experiencing. So yeah, folks, that's just a quick and simple way to create live photos from the content shot on your DJI Action camera. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it and found it had value. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.